Good morning. I'm on my first job here. We have a shattered glass dairy door. As you can see the glass is shattered. But anyways, I have a spare door here. New spare door. These are Anthony doors. You can see that. It's not too bad. Basically, it's a clip. You're gonna push that clip down, and it clips right up top. You have to take your screw out of here. Okay, hold on a second. So it's hard to see, but right there, this screws into there. That's the door opener. Here's your clip. You push it down, and the door should come right out. So here we go, and the door is out. You see the three prongs, fits right in there, clips up into that slot, and you pull the door out, put the new one in, do the adjusting nut on the bottom so the door closes, and that's pretty much it. But that's the start of the day.